The orbital station allows the Toppat clan to easily raid any place on Earth.
Henry? Henry! I heard you died! Ah, man. The Toppat clan has been causing a bunch of problems for me lately. Yeah, ever since they got that orbital station set up, they've been super strong. Now that I think about it, you and I made a pretty good team in the past. I bet we could take them out. It's starting to get personal. Well, what do you say? You want to help me take them out for good? Awesome! Alright, follow me. I have a way we can get into space.
Secret government prototype. What do you think? There it is. Alright, how do you want me to bring you in? Oh, this is so exciting. It's just like last time. Put on this spacesuit and hide in this ball of trash. What? It's a good idea, trust me. See? I told you it was a good idea. The Toppats have no clue you're there now. I'm gonna stick back here, though, so they don't detect me. I should still be able to help you get inside from here, though.
Uh-huh.
Hey, you feel that button there on your helmet? Go ahead and press that. It's a knife that's so hot it can cut through any material. You dropped it, didn't you? You know what? No. This calls for some bold action. I'm the bold action man!
Warning. Critical damage to core. Please evacuate immediately.
I've always wanted to do that.
Warning.
Anyways, I should probably find a way off the station before it explodes. Looks like the door's jammed. This is the only way through. 1, 2, 3. I think I can hack this panel to get the door to open. Yeah, I have no idea what I'm doing. I bet this vent leads somewhere on the other side. Crawling through the vents. Oh boy, we're running out of time.
Damage to core. Please evacuate immediately.
Got room for 2 more?
Reverse thruster engaged.
Well, that was intense. Can't wait to go home. Don't worry about me. I'll find another way.
Henry? You there? Man, that roughed me up. Got him, though. There's gotta be another escape pod around here somewhere. We did it, though. We got him. It was a pretty good plan. Could say it was the greatest.
General, the Toppat station's been destroyed.
Excellent news.
What's wrong?
Hey, easy, easy. You were gone for a bit. I was able to bring you back to life. I specialize in military-grade augmentations. I was forced to replace spine and left arm, as some of damage you sustained was beyond repairing. You had run in with Topet Clan, I've encountered them before. Easy, you're still healing. They went south, if you are wondering. About 10 hours ago. Wow, you're learning so quickly. Good luck.
I'm thinking once we arrive, we should be able to... Henry! Take him out, right-hand man!
Time for a little payment.
そのはスタンド。ユニトは素晴らしい大けれど、私の大丈夫がお風呂に。タイミネボトル。お前は私もスタンドね。タイミネボトルがサンゾタイムは時を止まれ。偵察それ好きじゃないですよ。最後にスタンドな。お？本当にフィストなストップミー。何か。バカな、僕のサイバネティックはどこですか？
お前はオルタネットタイムラインの美容区。今日はヘンリー殺されません。ヘンリーは突破と許せありません。お前はよろしくない。今にお前は小さい人間。
バカ者が。本当にスタンドはサイバネティックですよ。私は大きなさい。僕にはサンゾタイムが閉まったには時を止まって。今。死ねー